Back. Guess who's back? Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and another box. Small one today, so let's check it out, see what it is. Roll with me. Here we go. We're back in. Let's get ready to chop into this box. I think I got a feeling. I know what it is, but you never know. So, man, just give you guys a little update. It has been ridiculously hot here lately, and man, oh, okay. There we go. This is Rayhaan. I think it's called Crimson. Yeah, this is supposed to be a clone of, I think it's Centaurus by Creed. I think that's what it's supposed to be, but I'll get into that a little bit later on. All right, let's see what this is like. All right, so here we go. This box is kind of fancy. Look at that. Look at that. Like, this is a pattern on top of this. This is not just it's not just a design. It's actually a grid pattern on it. So, oh, as you can see this box. You see the grid is pretty see-through. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's the slide out. Slide out like the old dancers, old singers. And let's see how we can get into this box. Let's see. Okay. The box is trolling me right now. Okay, there we go. So it's pretty basic in the box. It has the regular flap and then one flap to hold it in place. And here's the bottle. Ooh. Oh, it sounded like it was like half full, but I'm looking at it. I can see the juice through it. You may not be able to detect the juice coming through because of the reflection. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's right there. Okay, this is pretty nice. This is like a plastic kind of covering over the bottle. The bottle itself is just a red bottle, more maybe like burgundy or crimson, I guess. And then this plastic grate is over top of it. All right, let's get right into it. Oh, looking at the box. The box is pretty plain. It's like plain on the front, just has the name. On the sides, it doesn't have anything. Has that little writing there, and then on the bottom, there's the batch number and all the other information. The top is just has the Rayhaan on it right there. Okay, cool. Let's grab a spray stick and test it out. See what it smells like. I've actually never smelled the actual fragrance that is supposed to be cloning, so I'm just going off of sprays, seeing how it smells. Pretty nice spray. Okay. Okay. That's different. That's different. It has it's a different kind of vibe to it. It kind of gives me a smell kind of like a cinnamon kind of a candy kind of vibe. And it's sweet, but it's spicy. And it smells, it's not spicy in the way of like a spice, I mean not spice bomb. It's not spicy like Spice Bomb. It's more spicy like 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 uh like the red hot candies that they used to have that were spicy. They were kind of hot for you to eat them. The balls kind of reminds me of that kind of spicy, or like maybe like a big red gum. Remember that old gum that used to be out way back in the day? It kind of reminds me of that kind of spicy. It doesn't smell like it, but it kind of gives me that kind of vibe. It's pretty nice. You know what? I think I got some free skin. Let's go ahead and get a feel for it on my skin. Oh my goodness, look at that spread too. That's nice. Look at that. I hope that's coming through on the camera. That's nice. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. On the paper, I didn't get any alcohol, but on my skin, I'm getting a lot of alcohol in that first sniff. Okay, it's gone already. Okay, now I'm getting more like woods kind of coming out. It's still spicy, but the spicy is almost like a co-actor. It's not really as forefront. Yeah, it's smelling more woodsy, more like not almost like two different woods, like maybe a cedar wood and a sandalwood, maybe, or maybe not a sandalwood, more like some kind of blonde wood, some kind of really light flowing wood. This is nice. Okay. Yeah, I like this. I like this. This smells good. We got a couple of minutes. I'm gonna go jump and see if I can find the notes, because I think I tried to look up the notes once before and they were nowhere to be found. So let's see if I can find them. I'll be right back. All right, folks. It took me a minute trying to find these notes. I found them. At least I hope these are correct. So take this with a grain of salt. But the notes that I found are, the top notes are cardamom, cinnamon, and pink pepper. And then for the middle notes, we have heliotrope, patchouli, and that's it. And then for the base notes, we have benzoin, tonka bean, and vanilla. I'm smelling these notes may be correct, but I'm smelling more woods. I'm smelling I'm smelling the spiciness, but it's not a spiciness from that cinnamon. It doesn't smell like it's coming from cinnamon. It smells like it's coming from like a cedar wood, and then I'm smelling this background of like a really light, maybe like a blonde wood or like Palo Santo. It kind of has a vibe or something like that. So I'm not sure if these notes are correct or if they have all the notes listed, but that's what I'm kind of coming up with. Now I do get the sweetness from the cardamom and the vanilla. Yeah, all that's good. This is a good fragrance. It's initially I was thinking this was going to be something strictly for the fall and winter, but the way I'm smelling it now, it could be. I'm thinking it could be like a summer evening, possible, and definitely in the spring. But yeah, definitely in fall. Fall will probably be the best season for this because of that little spiciness that it has to it. But yeah, I like it. I'm glad I got it. This is my first Rayhaan fragrance. I've been hearing people talk about Rayhaan lately, so I was like, I'll start with this one. It's another one that I was interested in too. I think it's the elixir, maybe, and maybe I'll pick that one up later. Oh, and this the Pacific Aura, Pacific Aqua. I'm interested in that one too. I think that's supposed to be a Pacific Chill clone by Louis Vuitton. But I'm going off on a tangent. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about unboxing Rayhaan Crimson. Oh, I got the box bottle around backwards. Crimson, even though the name's not even on there. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. It's your boy Will with the Will Report. Until next time, Deuces.